So here's the dryer. I just got done drying some clothes, and they're dry. I can actually put them in for a little longer. So power, and I'll just push that. So it's pretty quiet. I have the indoor venting system, and I've attached it to the dryer here with a little sticky tab so that it wouldn't, if the dryer happened to be or making noise or whatever. But that's the dryer. So I'm really happy with it. I can also open the window and vent it out, but right now, since it's cold outside, I'm using the heat from the dryer to warm the house.